Hello students, this is another video for not-for-profit organization. Here I am going to tell you about the first financial statement prepared under not-for-profit organization, which is receipt and payment account. So receipt and payment account, it is you can say it is a summary of cash and bank transaction during an accounting period for not-for-profit organization. Okay, so like we all know that cash book, it is a very basic accounting book which is prepared by all type of organization, whether profit organization or not-for-profit organization. But cash book, it is a elaborate form which is kept by organization day wise, means date to date we prepare cash book. But receipt and payment account, it is a summary of summary of cash book. Okay, so here what we do, here the thing we take, it is it record all the cash receipts, all the cash payments of cash book. Okay, it is a summary of all cash receipts and payment of cash book. And what are the features of receipt and payment account? So first is, it starts with opening balance of cash and bank and ends with their closing balances, isn't it? So I want you to take to the specimen slide. If you see this specimen, the first thing means the opening balance of cash and bank. So we start our receipt and payment account with opening balance of cash and bank. Coming to our next feature, all the receipts are shown on left hand side, okay, which is debit side, and all payments we show at right hand side, that is credit side. So if you look at the specimen, so here all the receipts we are writing. Okay, so all receipts, see here all the receipts are in debit side and all the payments are at left hand side, which is known as credit side. Payment side you can say here. Okay, now coming to third feature, the third feature is it records all type of receipts and payment, irrespective of the fact whether they are related to current, previous or future period. I want to draw your attention to this very important point. Okay, so first, irrespective of the fact they are related to current year, previous year or future period. So if you see at this specimen, the first receipt we included is the subscription. But if you see under subscription, 3 points are given: previous year, current year and next year. Okay, so whether subscription is a item, it is a source of fund which is received by not-for-profit organization. So if in any accounting period subscription is received by organization for current year or for last year or for next year as an advance, so we include all the three amounts in the receipt and payment account, because in the same year we received subscription. Okay, suppose if you are preparing your receipt and payment account for 2018, ओके और इस 2018 में आपको प्रीवियस ईयर यानी कि 2017 के लिए कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन मिला, मीन्स लास्ट ईयर नहीं मिला था, बट यू रिसीव्ड दिस ईयर फॉर 2017. Okay, so this previous year is 2017. You receive some amount of subscription for current year, that is 2018, and for next year, which is 2019. Okay, so all the three amount we will write in receipt and payment account. I hope this point is clear for all of you. Okay, so the fact here is what? The fact is that irrespective of the fact whether they relate to current year, previous year, future period, we record all type of receipts, similarly payments also. The next thing, the fact is revenue or capital nature, means irrespective of their nature also. So again, if you see here in this specimen, two type of receipts are taken: revenue receipts and capital receipts. So revenue receipts means what? those type of receipts which are of recurring nature. Okay, you know all the revenue receipts and revenue payments. Revenue receipts or payments means which occurs again and again. Okay, so these are the items which an not for profit organization keeps receiving throughout the year, means they are of recurring nature. That's why these are called revenue. Okay, so revenue receipts will be taken. So these are revenue receipts means admission fees. Suppose अगर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कोई मेंबर ज्वाइन होता है तो उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ज्वाइन होने के लिए उसे एंट्रेंस फीस या एडमिशन फीस देना होता है. सो पूरे साल पूरे ईयर हमारे मेंबर्स आते रहते हैं और वो एडमिशन फीस देते रहते हैं. दैट्स वाई एडमिशन फीस इज रेवेन्यू. डोनेशन, ग्रांट, जनरल डोनेशन, जनरल ग्रांट्स अक्सर क्योंकि ये नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इनका जो मेन सोर्स है फंड का वो डोनेशंस होती हैं. ये डोनेशंस पर ही चलते हैं. सो ये भी हमारे रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट्स हैं. सिमिलरली कोई रेंट है, ओके, न्यूज़पेपर सेल हो रहा है, तो ऑल दीज आर रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट्स. नाउ कमिंग टू कैपिटल रिसिप्ट्स. कैपिटल इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट्स. व्हाट इज इट? So it is a donation for a specific purpose. If donations are not specified, the purpose of donation is not specified, so we include that donation in revenue. But if purpose is specified, we take it in capital receipts. Am I clear? Okay. Then next is special subscription. If only subscription is given, it is called as revenue. But some special subscription, suppose subscription for dinner party or subscription for something is mentioned, the purpose is mentioned, so it is called specific. Again, it is capital receipt. Life membership fees, ये क्या होता है? सपोज कोई मेंबर अगर किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मेंबर बनता है तो वो एक वन टाइम पेमेंट कर देता है, मीन्स लाइफ लॉन्ग फीस, उसकी लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस एक बार में वो पेमेंट कर देता है. सो बिकॉज इट इज़ रिसीव्ड ओनली रिसीव्ड बाय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर ओनली वन टाइम, सो इट इज़ कैपिटल रिसिप्ट. सिमिलरली लिगेसी, अगेन आपका लिगेसी है. लिगेसी क्या होता है? लिगेसी इज द अमाउंट रिसीव्ड एज पर द विल ऑफ डिसीज्ड पर्सन. अगर कोई एक पर्सन जिसकी डेथ हो गई है, उसने अपने विल में लिखा कि ओके, आफ्टर माई डेथ माई 20% ऑफ माई प्रॉपर्टी विल बी गिवन टू सम नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सम चैरिटेबल इंस्टीट्यूशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड लिगेसी. तो लिगेसी का भी नेचर क्या है? ये वन टाइम होता है. दैट्स वाई इट इज कैपिटल रिसिप्ट. Sale of fixed asset, it is also a capital receipt. So if you see, we included in our receipt and payment account all the revenue receipts and all the capital receipts. So irrespective of the nature of receipt or irrespective of the nature of payments, similarly revenue payments or capital payments भी होते हैं. If you see the items, you are familiar with these. Most of the items you may be knowing. So these are called revenue receipts and revenue payment, and capital receipts and capital payment. Both type of receipts and payment are going to be included in receipt and payment account. I hope I am very clear with this. So here some features are taken. The nature of the receipt and payment account, it is real. Okay, it is an asset account, or you can say it is a real account. The basis of accounting, we have studied that there are two bases of accounting. One is called accrual and other is called cash basis. So this follow cash basis of accounting. Okay, the third is capital and revenue item. So we have seen in previous slide that this include receipt and payment includes all the receipt and payment irrespective of the nature, whether